If you're getting Forza Horizon 6 error code 0x80600008 on PC, don't worry because this error is usually related to Xbox network connectivity problems, gaming services issues, corrupted game files, account synchronization failures, or temporary server outages. The error may prevent you from connecting online, joining multiplayer sessions, accessing Horizon Life, or loading certain online features. In this video, I'll show you several working fixes that can help resolve error 0x80600008 in Forza Horizon 6. Solution 1. Check Xbox and Forza servers. The first thing you should do is check whether Xbox Live Services or Forza Horizon servers are experiencing outages. If Microsoft services are down, online features may stop working until the issue is resolved. Solution 2. Restart your PC and router. Temporary network glitches can trigger error 0x80600008. Completely restart your PC, modem, and router. Once your internet connection is restored, launch Forza Horizon 6 again. Solution 3. Sign out and back into Xbox app. Authentication issues between your Microsoft account and Xbox services can cause connection errors. Sign out of the Xbox app, restart your PC, sign back in, and then launch the game. Solution 4. Repair gaming services. Gaming services is required for Xbox games on Windows. Open Windows Settings, navigate to Apps, locate Gaming Services, select Advanced Options, and click Repair. If the problem continues, use Reset as well. Solution 5. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing files can interfere with online connectivity. Open Steam or Xbox app, locate Forza Horizon 6, and use the Verify or Repair Files option to scan and replace damaged files. Solution 6. Disable VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxy services can block communication with Xbox servers. Disable any VPN or proxy software temporarily and check if the error disappears. Solution 7. Reinstall Gaming Services. If none of the previous methods work, reinstall Gaming Services completely. After reinstalling, restart your PC and launch Forza Horizon 6 again. So those are some of the best fixes for Forza Horizon 6 error code 0x80600008 on PC. In most cases, the issue is caused by Xbox network problems, gaming services failures, corrupted game files, or account synchronization issues. Hopefully one of these methods helped restore your connection and get you back into the game. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below which fix worked for you.